Hello friends, today we are going to talk about very important IELTS topic, math skill you have learned. As you are reading, the questions are what was the skill, how you learned it, how difficult it was, and explain the benefits. I have made a simple plan for you. You can start the topic with the importance of mathematics in the academics and the basic skills which are taught in the elementary schools like counting, addition, subtraction to the advanced skills like trigonometry, geometry, and many others. But here we are going to talk about the equation BODMAS, which is very important skill in the mathematics and it is used in many ways. So you can say that I learned about this skill when I was in fourth standard, and you can also tell the name of the maths teacher who taught you this skill. The next question is how you learned this skill. You can explain the steps through which the skill was taught to you. This equation is used in the complex calculations which have subtraction, addition, multiplication, and division all together. And the way in which the equation is solved is opening the brackets followed by the calculations from division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction in order. And you can also explain the exercises which were given to you by your teacher in the classroom and at your home. You were learning the skill for the very first time, so you can also explain the difficulty which you have faced in understanding the steps and how you overcome the confusion. You can say that I took the help of my father. And as far as the question of uses are concerned, this equation is used in daily life to solve the complex calculations when we are performing banking or shopping, lending or borrowing the money. Now I'm going to explain the topic in detail. Mathematics is very important academic subjects. I started learning mathematics in my elementary school from the very basic skills of counting, subtraction, addition and multiplication, followed by advanced skills like trigonometry and geometry. But here I'm going to talk about very important equation, that is BODMAS, which I have learned in my fourth standard by my math teacher. The way it was introduced in the classroom was very simple. My teacher explained the steps which are used to solve the complex calculations when subtraction, addition, multiplication, and division calculations are done all together. She taught us that the brackets are opened first of all, followed by the calculation started with division, followed by multiplication, addition, and subtraction in order. She also gives simple exercises to solve in the classroom as well as to solve at home. I found this skill very difficult as I was learning it for the first time, so it was very difficult for me to understand the need of using this equation, and I also found it very problematic to solve the calculations by following the steps which were taught by the teacher. I got really very much confused, and my confusion resulted in nervousness. But my father helped me in solving the calculations by giving me some simple sums and by giving me shortcuts and just tricks. And with the help of my father, I learned the skill very well. I can say that this skill is very important in the modern life. We use this equation to make some complex calculations in our daily life when we perform banking, when we are doing shopping, when we pay bills, or we file the returns. We use this formula in many ways.